हमारे इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 के मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स पर चर्चा करेंगे। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाइए।
Square and square root. Today we will discuss on this chapter, that is class 8 mathematics. So what do you mean by square? If m and n are natural numbers such that n can be expressed as n square, that is m equal to n square, then m is the square of n, and number n is a square. Clear? Not clear? Now let us understand it with an example. That is 1 square equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. Okay? 2 square equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. So 4 is the square of 2. 1 is the square of 1. So according to this, m equal to n square, and m is the square number. So you can say that 2 is the square number, that is 4, and 1 is the square number, that is 1 square. Similarly, 3 square equal to 3 into 3, that is 9, and 4 square equal to 4 into 4, that is 16, and 5 square equal to 5 into 5, that is 25, etc. So these all are square number. So dear, what do you mean by a perfect square number? Perfect square number. If one's place digit, if end digit of a number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay, if the end digit, that is one's place digit, end digit means one's place digit, are 0, 1, 4, 6 and 9, then the numbers are called perfect square number. Then those numbers are perfect square number. For example, here we will take example for this. That is, you know that 11 square, that is 121, means this is 11 into 11, that is 121. So that you can say here the end digit is 1, so this is a perfect square number. Similarly, 12 square, 12 into 12, that is 144. So end digit is 4, so this is a perfect square number. 13 square means 13 into 13, that is 169. So you know here end digit is 9, so this is a perfect square number. Now 14 square equal to 14 into 14, This gives you 196. So inter-digit number is 6. So this is a perfect square number. So keep in mind that if the end digits are 0, 1, 4, 5 and 6, 9, then the digits are perfect square. Then those numbers are perfect square number. Now what do you mean by not perfect square number? What is the meaning of not perfect square? That is imperfect square number. So now let us try to understand. Not perfect square number means if the end digit are 2, 3, 7 or 8, then those numbers are known as imperfect square number. That is, if end digit are 2, 3, 7 or 8, then those numbers are imperfect square number. For example, 2, 5, 7. This is not a perfect square number because end digit is 7. So this number is not a square of any number. So this is imperfect square number. Similarly, 1, 3, 3. Since one's place digit is 3, that is end digit is 3. So this is not a perfect square number. 2, 5, 2. This is not a perfect square number because end digit is 2. So this is not a perfect square number. And similarly 2, 4, 8. This is not a perfect square number. Okay. Here is a question to find the sum without actual adding. This is the question. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. Without adding, find the sum. How can you find the sum? Yes, you can find it. You count here how many digits here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can write directly it as 10 and square. So you will get it as 100. Yes. If you find the sum by actual process, then you will get it is 100. How can you find? You count here how many numbers here. After that you write the square of that number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you directly write square of 10. Square of 10 means 100. Now express new question. Express now express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Okay, this is the next question. Find the sum. Express this 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Yes, you can write it as, that is 49 equal to 7 square, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 13. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you find the sum of these numbers, then you can get 49. So this is the 49 can be expressed at the sum of successively odd numbers. You cannot leave any numbers given in these, so you will write means आपको लगातार odd number का sum 7 बार लिखेंगे, 7 numbers लिखेंगे, 7 odd numbers लिखेंगे, तो इसका sum ऑटोमेटिकली 49 हो जाएगा। ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। नाउ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट। Pythagorean triplet. What is the Pythagorean triplet? If m is a natural number, if m is a natural number, then 2m m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 are Pythagorean triplet. Why? Because these numbers satisfy the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So this is the hypotenuse. Longest side is always hypotenuse, and this one we can take as altitude, and this is the base. So if we write it as m square plus 1 whole square equal to this square plus this square, then it is satisfied. So we can say that 2m m square minus 1 m square plus 1 Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so how can you apply this Pythagorean triplet in the question? So question says, let us see question, find the Pythagorean triplet for the number, one number is given for you, that is 6. For the number 6. Okay, so find the Pythagorean triplet for this number 6. Yes, you can find it. You will write a solution for it. Let 2m equal to 6. Always you will write it given number as 2m equal to 6. So that you will get here m equal to 6 by 2, transpose this to right side, that means it is 3. That is m equal to 3. Okay. Now m square minus 1 equal to m is 3, that is 3 square minus 1. Means 9 minus 1, that is 8. You will get it 8. And m square plus 1. So m is here 9. 9 means m is 3. 3 square plus 1. This gives 9 plus 1. That means 10. Okay. Therefore Pythagorean triplet will be 6. First number is given 6, so you will write 6, and next one you will get 8 and 10. So this is 8 and 10. So these are the Pythagorean triplet. Clear? You can write it that 6, 8 and 10. These are the Pythagorean triplet. So you can find Pythagorean triplet for any number, as you can take it as given number 2m equal to 6. Then you will find the value of m is 3, just half of given number, and after that m square minus 1 and then m square plus 1. When you will get the m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, then the number including given and these two are the Pythagorean triplet. Now square of a number without actual multiplication. How can you find the square of a number without actually multiplication? Yes, here is a question number 1. Find the square of 32. Square of 32 you can find. You can write it as 30 plus 2 whole square. That is 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. And this square is written as 30 plus 2 and 30 plus 2. That is, you will get 30 and this things. 30 and this bracket. After that 2 and then this bracket. So what you get by operating this bracket? 3 3 is 9 and 1 0 and another 0. So 2 0. Okay, and 3 2 is 6. That is 60 and plus 2 3 is again 32 is 60 and plus 2 2 is 4. So what you get? That is 4 0 0 0 means 4 and 6 6 12 and 0. So you write 12 and 9 and 1 10. 1 is the carry. So you write this. That is 1024. This is the square of 32. Now another way to find the square of this number. Second method. Yes, you can find by the second method. This is written as 30 plus 2 whole square. Means you know that identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So you can write it as a square means 30 square plus 2ab, that is 2 into 30 into 2, and plus b square means 2 square. So this is written as 900 square of 30, 3 का square 9 and double 0, 0 का square कितना होगा double 0 plus this is 2 2 is 4 and 4 3 is 12 and 1 0 and plus 4. Okay, 2 का square कितना होगा 4. So you can write it as this. Now 4 plus, you will write it 4. After that 2 and 0, that is 2 and 1 and 9, that is 10. So this is the answer by the second method using identity. Okay, now you can find this square number by the third method. Yes, here is the third method, that is 32 square. So you observe here this number just nearest to the 50. ये नंबर 50 के नियरेस्ट. तो क्या करना है? आप 50 का हाफ कर लीजिए. 50 का हाफ बताइए कितना होता है? 50 का हाफ होता है 25 और 50 से इसका डिफरेंस निकालिए. 50 से डिफरेंस कितना होता है? 18. Okay, so yes, you will write here this 18 you will add in 25. 25 में ये डिफरेंस जितना भी है ये आप माइनस करिए. क्यों? क्योंकि ये नंबर 15 से कम है, 50 से कम है, 50 से छोटा है. तो छोटे नंबर में आप माइनस करोगे और अगर ये नंबर 50 से बड़ा होता तो आपको क्या करना पड़ता? प्लस करना पड़ता. क्या प्लस? यही डिफरेंस. दैट इज 50 माइनस 32, दैट इज 18. सो 18 आप इसमें से माइनस करिए. फिर 25 में से 18 माइनस करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 7. तो आप यहाँ पे 7 लिखेंगे और इसके बाद 18 का स्क्वायर कर लीजिए. ठीक है, 18 का स्क्वायर करेंगे, इनका स्क्वायर तो याद ही होगा। 18 का स्क्वायर कितना होता है? 324। 324, तो आप 24 तो पूरा पूरा लिख लीजिए, और ये 3 आपका होगा कैरी, ये कैरी 7 में ऐड कर दीजिए, तो 7 और 3 कितना हो जाएगा? 10। तो ये आपका इस तरह से थर्ड मेथड, ये सारे क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। क्या रूल मैंने बताया? इफ द नंबर इज लेस देन 50 then you will find just half of 50, that is 25। इसके बाद 50 से इसका डिफरेंस निकालेंगे, डिफरेंस कितना आएगा? 18। 18 इसमें से माइनस करेंगे, माइनस करना है अगर 50 से कम है, छोटा है, और अगर 50 से बड़ा है तो प्लस करना है। तो यहाँ पे 50 से ये छोटा है नंबर 32, 50 से छोटा है, तो जो डिफरेंस आया तो इसमें से माइनस कर दीजिए। 25 से माइनस करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 7 आपने लिख लिया, 7 लिख लिया, और इसके बाद 18 का स्क्वायर कर दीजिए, तो 18 का स्क्वायर करेंगे वो 324 होगा। तो आपको 2 ही डिजिट लिखने हैं, उसके बाद जो डिजिट बचेगा वो कैरी बना दें, तो कैरी हो गया ये 7 और 3 10, तो आपका आंसर हो गया 10 20। नाउ स्क्वायर ऑफ ए नंबर containing 5 in one's place, that is unit place। अगर यूनिट प्लेस पर 5 है तो उसका स्क्वायर आप कैसे करेंगे, इसका भी मेथड आपको बता देते हैं। तो चलिए आइए देखते हैं। लेट अस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नो अबाउट द रूल, इसका रूल क्या है पहले रूल समझ लीजिए। सो स्क्वायर ऑफ A5, इसका आपको स्क्वायर करना, मीन्स वंस प्लेस पर आपका स्क्वायर 5 है, ठीक है। तो आपको क्या करना होगा? यू विल राइट इट एज A and A plus 1 hundreds plus 25, ठीक है। यहाँ पे कुछ भी नंबर हो तो आपको वो नंबर लिखना है, एंड A plus 1 दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन इंटू हंड्रेड्स प्लस 25। Let us try to understand it with the example, that is 25 का स्क्वायर करना है। तो वंस प्लेस पर कितना है? 5। तो आपको क्या करना होगा? आप देखिए A in the place of A, what is the number in the place of A? 2। So you write 2 and A plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, so it is 3 and 100, 100 means 100, and plus 25, so how much it? 2 3 is 6, 6 into 100, that is 600, and 625, that is 625, so this is the square of 25। Now want to find the square of 45। 45 का स्क्वायर करना है, तो A की जगह पर कितना है? 4, तो आप लिखोगे 4 into 4 plus 1 means 5 into 100 plus 25, so how much? 4 to the 4 5 are 20 and 100, so how much? 2000 and 25, so it is 2025। Similarly, now want to square of 95, okay, so 95 square means it is in the place of is 9, so you write 9 and 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1 means 10, and 100, 100 means you will write 100 plus 25, so what you get? That is 9 10 the 90 and 00 means 9000, 9025, that is you can write this, clear? Because 9 10 the 90 and 00, 90 and 00 means 9000 and plus 25, so this is 9025। So you can find the square of any number in which one's place digit is 5, clear? हमारे इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका।